Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Londa. I'm the Crazy Vegan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a thinned out hummus that I like to use for salads. This is a nutritarian version. The recipe is a nutritarian recipe, so there's no salt or anything in it. Of course, you can add that for taste if you'd like. If you'd like a thicker version, I used a 1 cup of water. You can use a half cup of water and then add a teaspoon at a time until it's the right consistency for you. So let's get started, and thanks for watching. To make the no oil hummus, you're going to use a blender. You're going to put one 15-ounce can, drained, of garbanzo beans. You can substitute for white beans, black beans, regular beans, any kind of beans you want. It'll just change the type of hummus it is. Then you're going to add 1 cup of water, two tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use either pre-bottled or you can squeeze your own, just a total of 2 tablespoons. You're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And lastly, you're going to use 1/4 cup of tahini. Make sure it's just ground sesame seeds. You don't want any added salt or oil. Okay. Then you're going to put that in a blender and blend it on high for about a minute. It will thicken a little bit after you put it in the fridge. I made it more of a salad dressing because I like my hummus mixed in my salad dressing. If you don't want it as thick, if you don't want it as thin as I made mine, start with 1/2 cup of water and then add little bits by about a teaspoon at a time while you're blending until it's to the correct consistency for your liking. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to follow me on my weight loss journey and like to keep updated on that, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. I do post every Monday and every Friday, so stay tuned.